Stress less with healthy eating. Many battle stress daily, often reaching for unhealthy comfort foods instead of nutritious options. These comfort foods may offer temporary relief, but worsen stress and health in the long run. Opting for quick energy fixes like high-sugar snacks leads to crashes and mood swings, perpetuating stress. Becoming mindful of food choices can break the vicious cycle of stress and unhealthy eating habits. Let's explore how certain foods can decrease stress while others can amplify it. Science backs this up. Whole grains, fruits, and veggies help regulate blood sugar and improve overall well-being. Leafy greens contain folate, which reduces homocysteine levels, lowering stress indicators in the body. Foods high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats can cause more stress and anxiety in our lives. Hydration is key. Even mild dehydration can negatively affect your mood and focus. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet can lead to positive changes in stress levels. Mindful eating can be your powerful tool for managing stress, promoting wellness both mentally and physically. It's not about restrictions, but making intentional food choices that nourish the body. Small changes lead to breaking the cycle of stress and unhealthy eating and build a better food relationship. Nutrient-dense foods prepare you to handle life's stressors and encourage positive choices. It's about progress over perfection. Every small change can lead to significant impacts on health. Taking control of your food choices directly influences your overall stress management and well-being. Healthy eating supports both physical health and mental wellness, making a big difference in life. So, prioritize healthy food choices for a calmer mind and body. Join me for more healthy living tips. Share your favorite stress relief foods in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.